Hi there! In today's tutorial, we're diving into Synthesia AI, a platform that helps you create AI-generated videos with avatars. Whether you're looking to create video content for marketing, training, or presentations, Synthesia makes it easy and fast. I'll guide you through how to use the platform and share some expert tips along the way. Let's get started. Let's walk you through how to create your first AI video using Synthesia. Sign up or log in. Head over to the Synthesia website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial to get started. Now, Synthesia is locked under a paywall, so you're going to have to pay either $18 a month, $70 a month, or you can use an enterprise for when you're using it for your business or for a lot of people. You can create a new video. Once logged in, click on the Create New Video button. You'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. 3. Choose your avatar. Synthesia allows you to choose from a range of AI-generated avatars that will speak in your video. Browse through the available avatars and select one that fits your brand or message. Write or upload your script. In the text box, enter your video script. This is the content your avatar will deliver. Make sure to proofread the script as the avatar will read it exactly as written. Select your language and voice. Choose the language, accent, and voice for your avatar. Synthesia supports multiple languages and accents, which makes it a great tool for global audiences. 6. Customize background and visuals. You can enhance your video by adding images, text, or slides in the background. You can also customize colors and upload your own visuals to align with your brand. 7. Generate and download your video. Once your script and settings are complete, hit Generate Video. Synthesia will take a few minutes to process the video. After that, you can preview, edit, or download your video. Key tips or best practices. Here are some tips to help you create the best video possible with Synthesia AI. Keep your script short and clear. Short, concise sentences work best with AI avatars. Avoid complex sentence structures as they may sound unnatural when spoken by the avatar. Test different voices and accents. Synthesia offers multiple voices, so don't hesitate to experiment and find the one that best matches your brand and audience. Add visuals for engagement. To keep viewers engaged, incorporate relevant visuals, such as charts, images, or branded slides that complement your spoken content. Common challenges or mistakes. Here are some common challenges users face when working with Synthesia AI and how you can avoid them. Here are robotic speech. Sometimes the AI avatar's speech can sound robotic or unnatural. To minimize this, use simple sentences and avoid jargon or overly complex language. You can also adjust the speed and tone in some cases for better results. Mispronunciations. Certain names, places, or technical terms may be pronounced incorrectly. To fix this, break down difficult words with hyphens or phonetically write them in the script to guide the AI on pronunciation. Limited customization of avatars. The avatars have preset movements and expressions, so you might find them a bit limited in personalization. In this case, consider supplementing your video with custom visuals, slides, or on screen text. Here are some additional tools and resources that can enhance your Synthesia AI experience. Grammarly. Use this tool to check your script for grammar errors and sentence flow before pasting it into Synthesia. Pexels or Unsplash. These websites offer free stock images that you can use to add relevant visuals to your Synthesia videos. Canva. If you want to create custom graphics or slides for your background, Canva offers an easy drag and drop design tool for generating high quality visuals. Here's a brief historical or background context. Synthesia was founded in 2017 with a mission to make video content creation accessible to everyone. By reducing production time and cost, Synthesia is revolutionizing the way we approach video creation with AI technology. Here are a few expert tips to take your Synthesia AI videos to the next level. Use Synthesia for localization. Blend Synthesia with live footage and use the power of personalization. And that's a wrap. With these clear tips and expert steps, you're ready to create stunning AI generated videos using Synthesia. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and happy video creating!